Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking lemon oregano chicken breasts on the Baby Q. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. As I said at the beginning of the video, we're going to be cooking some grilled chicken breasts with lemon oregano marinade. So I'm going to show you how to make that marinade, and it's really simple. There's literally 7 ingredients. Everything I use today will be in the description below. That includes the recipe, the ingredients, and the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out. So what we'll do is jump straight into it, and we'll start making the marinade and then get the chicken ready. So what we'll do is get straight to it. So with our marinade, we're going to use a Ziploc bag, and this is what we're going to use to put the chicken breasts in. So we're going to make our marinade first, and we're literally going to do 7 ingredients. So first up, we'll start by chopping the garlic, and then we'll start by adding the rind of 2 lemons and the lemon juice, and then we'll add all the rest of the ingredients. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so we'll start by literally chopping our garlic. So we're just going to rind 2 lemons, and then we're going to cut it up and use the juice of 2 lemons. Right, so what we're going to add is 6 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to do the juice of 2 lemons. The rind of 2 lemons, finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of paprika, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of salt. Right, so now we're just going to add our chicken breasts. I've got 5 chicken breasts, so I'm just going to put all 5 in here. There's no air in there. Zip lock that up and mix that marinade over that chicken, and then we're going to leave that in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Right, so our chicken's been marinating in the fridge for around 2 hours. You can leave it longer if you want. You could leave it up to 4 or even up to 6 hours. So now it's ready to put it on the Baby Q. So it's come up to 2 minutes, so we're just turning these. Well, so that's coming up to 10 minutes, just going to 1 final turn. Target temperature of 74. Reach our target temperature, so we can take those off. Right, so our chicken's been resting about 10 minutes. Now you can see it's releasing all those juices. So just get this plated up and I'll leave one aside to cut apart. We'll just cut into this one and see how she turned out. And you can see all the juices flowing from there. That's really moist. So time for a taste test. It's still really juicy, very moist. You can taste that paprika, a hint of that oregano, and that lemon's coming through. I think if you was to marinate it a lot longer, just overnight, you get a lot more flavour in it, but it is quite flavoursome, literally marinated for 2 hours. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that short video. And as you can see, it's a really simple recipe. And it just tastes absolutely amazing. That marinade turns out perfect. It doesn't take a lot. It's literally 7 ingredients. It takes 15 minutes for preparation and literally 1 to 2 hours for it to marinate in the fridge. And then it literally takes 8 to 12 minutes to cook. The hint of the lemon and the paprika and the oregano, if you let them marinate overnight, I think you get a lot more flavour in that meat. Apart from that, it was nice and juicy. It takes 8 to 12 minutes to cook on a medium setting on your Q. And you can put that chicken with any side dish, whether it be my sweet potatoes, and I'll put an icon above linking to that video, or whether it be pasta, chips, anything. Now don't forget, everything I use in the video, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get me Weber products. Also, the recipe and the ingredients will be listed down below, so make sure you check those out. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. We're going to be cooking some grilled chicken breast. Right, so I said it's going to be that. Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking lemon oregano. So those again, if you join the